Good afternoon. Welcome to the airport. How can I help you today?
Hello. I am here to travel, but I feel very nervous.
It is okay. Take a deep breath. Why do you feel nervous?
My English is not good. I am afraid to speak.
Thank you for telling me. That is very brave.
I think I do not belong in an international place like this.
Many people feel the same way, especially on their first trip.
Really? I thought I was the only one.
No, you are not alone. English is only a tool, not a test of your value.
But other people speak so fast. I cannot follow.
You do not need to understand everything. You only need keywords.
Keywords. What are keywords?
Keywords are important words, like passport, boarding gate.
Oh, I know those words.
That is great. You already have a foundation.
But my sentences are simple. Very simple.
Simple sentences are powerful. I need help. Could you repeat that? These are enough.
So short sentences are okay?
Yes, clear and polite is better than long and wrong.
That makes me feel a little better.
Confidence grows step by step, not in one day.
I always compare myself with others.
Comparison steals your confidence. Focus on your progress.
Progress, not perfection.
Exactly. Progress, not perfection.
I'm afraid people will laugh at my accent.
Most people will not laugh. They also have accents.
Really?
Yes, English is an international language. Many accents are normal.
I never thought about that.
Communication is about understanding, not sounding perfect.
So, if people understand me, that is success.
Yes, that is success.
I want to feel confident when I speak.
Start with eye contact and speak slowly.
Speak slowly, not too fast.
Yes, slow speech is clear speech.
Sometimes my mind goes blank.
When that happens, pause, breathe, and say, "Please give me a moment, Tara."
That sentence is useful.
Very useful and very polite.
I always think my English is too basic.
Basic English can take you around the world.
Around the world? With basic English?
Yes, because travel English uses simple patterns.
What patterns?
For example, where is, how much is, what time does it start?
Those are easy to remember.
Good. You already know more than you think.
Maybe I am too hard on myself.
Be kind to yourself. Learning takes time.
I study alone, so I feel slow.
Consistency is more important than speed.
Consistency. Everyday practice.
Yes, 10 minutes a day is powerful.
That sounds possible.
Also, listen to slow English conversations.
Like this conversation?
Exactly like this. Simple, clear, calm, mancha, or
I feel calmer now.
good. Calm mind helps memory.
I worry I will say something wrong at immigration.
If you do not understand, say, you please repeat slowly?
That is polite and safe.
Yes, officers are there to help, not to scare.
I always imagine the worst situation.
Your mind creates fear, but reality is often simple.
Simple questions, simple answers.
Yes, purpose of travel, length of stay, place of stay.
I can answer those.
See, you are prepared.
Maybe I am more ready than I think.
You are. Confidence comes from preparation.
Preparation makes confidence.
Exactly.
I want to believe I can travel anywhere.
You can, one step at a time.
Even with imperfect English?
Yes, imperfect English, but brave heart.
That sentence makes me smile.
Good. Smiling helps confidence too.
I feel lighter now.
Remember, language is a bridge, not a wall.
A bridge, not a wall.
Yes, it connects you to the world.
I want to cross that bridge.
And you are already walking on it.
Thank you for your encouragement.
You did the hard work. You spoke up about your fear.
I did, and I feel proud.
You should feel proud.
Maybe I do belong here.
You absolutely belong here.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Enjoy your journey and trust yourself.
I will try. Slowly. Confidently.
That is perfect. Slow and confident.
Thank you for helping me believe in myself.
You are welcome. Have a wonderful trip.
I will. And I will speak with confidence.